Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody
There it is.
stand in your way.
There's Frankie. There's Jack. There's water. And there's a rocks glass with rocks. Mike Foster here, trying to look kind of suave and debonair. And I just read this great book about Frank Sinatra. Not just about his career and his music and his singing, but about his style. And one of the things is that he drank Jack Daniels. And I'm going to show you how he drank it. I'm going to show you how to make Frank Sinatra's cocktail. Right now, baby. The key to Frank's drink was the ice cubes. Now, these are smaller ice cubes. And so back in the day, Frank, this would be a half an ice cube. So Frank only said 3 or 4 ice cubes. So that's about the equivalency of that. The next key was 2 fingers. So 2 fingers of Jack. And this guy drank so much Jack Daniels that they gave his own private acre out there, believe it or not. So that's 1 finger. I think that's 2 fingers. What do you guys think? Maybe a little more. This is how Frank drank it. Back in the day, for you youngsters, Google it. Frank was the coolest dude around. And then he put the rest water, like about that. Oh, that is the perfect. We'll stir it with a finger. That's the perfect Frank Sinatra cocktail. It's fast, simple, and easy. Let's see what it tastes like. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. I don't know if it was as good as Frank, but let's see if I can do this as good as Frank. Sinatra, he was all cool. You guys should try it. Make sure you Google him, read all about him, watch his videos, watch him singing. Here's to you, Frank. Oh, that's good. He used to have one of these in his hands all the time. He'd party all night, you know, like they do out there in Vegas, those guys. I've got you under my skin. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel. By the same swinging name, Cats. Peace.
Live life 365.
Ring-a-ding-ding. Better be good, Mike. It better be good. That's pretty funny. What do you think about that, Frank? Was that the Sweet Babu? I can tell you, Mikey, you cannot sing. Do not sing my songs. Do not sing my songs again. I don't even think that sounded like you. I know, it didn't. Cheers, Frank. That's a good damn drink.